After my previous video where I talked about the new YouTube policy, so I got some comments. Many people were asking, is my own channel safe? I'm into AI facetime channel, is it safe? What about storytelling channel? What about Bible story? I'm into AI music, is it safe? So this question, I kept getting them in the comment section, and I decided to make this particular video. So after discussing the 4 ideas I have in this particular video, you should be able to answer that yourself to know if your channel is safe or not. I noticed that most people asking this question actually understood the YouTube policy, but they want to be rest assured their AI channel is safe. I'm going to discuss these 4 ideas with you, mostly for people that are using AI to create their content. Even if you show your face, you can still watch the video to understand what I'm going to discuss in this video. The first idea is about the niche. Don't just look at the niche, look at the process and the framework. What I notice is most people that are into AI videos, they don't want to do too much. They are looking for ways for AI to do everything for them. If possible, that they can see just one AI tool that they can just give maybe a video title and the AI will do the script and even generate the video for them. That will be very, very okay for them. But YouTube is trying to say that this type of low effort content is not what they want. That is why you will see in some cases you will have 2 channels, the same niche, but one will get demonetized while the other one will survive. So now what you will look at is the content structure and not just the niche. If you want to even look at somebody's video or even copy somebody's channel, you don't have to copy the channel blindly, especially when it comes to the way the videos are being scripted. There is a way you will write your prompt. If somebody is listening to it, they will know that this is AI generated prompt. And the most people, once they see a video that is going viral, they will copy their transcript and repost. That is not the kind of videos YouTube wants on their channel. So don't just look at the niche, but instead study the structure of that particular video. Learn the process and the structure which the person used in creating that type of video. If possible, try to do better than that person, and you will see your channel will be on the safe side. Secondly, are you creating or you are just replicating other people's work? The main reason why YouTube deleted and demonetized most of the African storytelling channels is because of too much duplication and replicating the same idea and recycling the same script. Now, you watched a video on a particular channel, maybe the video is The Rich Man and the Poor Girl, that kind of title. So the video was actually doing well. Then you went and download the transcript of the video and ask ChatGPT to rewrite the story for you. It is the same storyline, the same formatting, the same formation, the same moral lesson. There is no new added value to it. After doing this, you post. Eventually, your own video will still go viral, but at the end of it, YouTube will demonetize the channels. It's not helping. Instead of trying to look for different viral videos, you build your own identity using AI. The only thing AI should do is to support your creativity. Imagine you as a creator, if maybe YouTube did not introduce AI, can't you still create content? Now, those creativity that you are supposed to bring naturally, you are supposed to add them, then use AI to improve it or to enhance it. So what am I saying is, if you're a good script writer, like you can write script very, very well, this is your time to go into content creation. Then using AI to create your visual, because you know that you can write your script with or without AI. Maybe you can use AI to modify it, but you will know that even if they paste it on those AI dictators, the script will still show like 70% or 80% human effort, or even 100%. So once your script is okay, you have passed that first test. If your script doesn't look too generic, you have passed the first step. Then the second one will not be the way you generate your images and your videos. You need to have enough images and enough videos to illustrate those things you are saying. If possible, you have a character that will represent the channel, or your color, or your voice, or the way you structure your video, there should be something that will make people to remember the channel. So you should give the channel a brand identity and not just using AI to automate everything. Just like I said in my previous video, if I remove the name of your channel or your logo from your videos, and maybe someone that has come across 2 or 3 of your videos before sees your new content, would they be able to identify that this is your content even without your name showing? That is branding. If you are just creating the videos, any viral video you see, you recreate without giving your channel a brand identity, YouTube might come for that type of channel. And that will bring us to the third step, which is AI is not your brand, you are the brand. Now, if you have ideas in mind on how to build a brand on YouTube, but you want to keep it faceless, that is where you will now use AI tools to bring that your idea to life. So people should be able to subscribe to your channel because of the brand and what you are producing, and not because of AI tool or because ChatGPT or they are subscribing to see AI. There are some of educational videos that I watch. They are into educational and tutorial videos. They also use AI avatars. If you are watching their video, the way they explain something, somebody that is watching that video will think that it is real human being. They have built the character, even created websites. Any image they are posting, any picture, anything they are doing, they will use that same avatar. If somebody come across that channel and want to subscribe to the channel, they are subscribing because of the value they are getting and the branding that they are watching the video from. Your channel should have a brand and also represent one particular value. Your videos can be entertaining, educational, motivational, or inspirational. Do you understand? But if you rely on creating randomly without giving your channel a branding or identity, that type of channel might not survive it. So what I'm telling you now, after watching this video, you just look at your AI channel again and ask yourself, what is my branding on this particular channel, and what value or what problem or what purpose is this particular channel serving? Now, let me give you an instance. Most of the comments I get, what about my Christian channel, my Bible storytelling channel? Now, imagine you built a channel, Bible storytelling, and you just tell AI to generate Bible story for you, maybe story of Jonah, the story of Noah and the ark. These are the stories that people have heard over and over again. So ChatGPT will now give you their own narration, their own view, their own perspective. Then you copy it, download pictures, combine it together and post. That particular creativity now is low effort. Now imagine that same Bible storytelling niche. You created the story, you now relate it to the modern society, also give a moral lesson or advice or make reference to our daily life. Instead of just reading generic AI generated script, you can connect it to something. At least it will be factual with what is happening in this our modern life. That small reference you are making to actual facts or something that can connect to people or the viewers that are watching the video, instead of just repeating the story in the Bible everybody has heard over and over again, you can script the story to have a deeper connection with somebody that is watching it in your own style, in your own understanding. That shift alone can separate you from other Bible channels. Because of what? You are adding your own creativity, adding your own perspective in the storytelling, and you are also connecting it to this modern world and some of the verifiable facts. Like in this our era, somebody can watch the video and resonate and even connect with it immediately. I don't know if you're getting my point. So this is just an example on how you are going to script your videos. So it mustn't be just generic, everything is too fictional, everything is padded. No. Once you do your script like that, YouTube is going to reject your monetization. But if you connect it with your own feelings, definitely your own channel will be safe. Ask yourself this one question. If somebody copied my channel now and my entire workflow, would my channel still feel different? Go and look at your channel. What is your identity? What is your branding? So if maybe now your channel is doing well and I want to copy you word for word, once I start copying you and your videos, would people watching that video able to tell that this new channel I'm watching is actually copying from this person? Did you brand your own AI channel to be very difficult for people that wants to copy it? Can they copy your channel without you losing your own identity? So these are the things you are going to pay attention to. Brand your channel in such a way that before somebody will copy your workflow, it will be difficult for that person, number one. And even if they eventually copy it, they will not get it just the way you are doing it, because of what? The creativity is coming from you. You are just using AI to assist you and they help you make the video come to life, but the creativity is coming from you and not from AI. One thing about AI is it will be very hard for AI to invent something. Do you get? People are inventing things. Even someone invented AI. So if they want to give you a suggestion or recommendation, AI can only source from the information of the previous people that have done it before. So that is why once you have an invention and you use AI to bring it to life, before you know, people will start copying it because it is new. Even the AI you are making use of have not seen that invention before. So you have to be very, very innovative if you want to succeed on this particular journey of YouTube, especially for those that are using AI to create their content. And if you're using AI avatar, do not engage your channel with sensitive topics that requires an expert or professional to talk about, like giving medical advice, legal advice, financial advice, or even politics. There are some topics on politics that you should not engage with your AI avatar. So do these four things and your AI channel will still be safe and monetized. Thank you so much for people seeing me for the first time. My name is Jazzy and I'm a creator for the creators. What I do on this channel is to break YouTube down for you like an 8-year-old baby so you will understand it very well. If that interests you, kindly subscribe to this channel and I'm going to see you on my next video.